Everybody, it's Barbara Campbell. Welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. We're coming to you from Barbara Campbell Television here in Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. And this is my rehearsal. In today's song, I Got Four Colors. Let's get started, everybody. This is an exclusive. And thank you for joining us. Like to mention, Happy St. Patty's Day. My colors. I have four colors. I wear it proudly. I got four colors. I wear it proudly. My father gave me four colors. I wear it proudly. I wear my colors. My father gave me. I wear it proudly. Four colors Papa gave me. I wear it proudly.
Jamaica. My love. Brooklyn, New York. I love Jamaica and the Jamaican people.
Culture.
Love you.
I love you. Jamaica. From Brooklyn, New York. Barbara Campbell.